Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. This is, I think, my first YouTube tutorial on making any game. So this is a very basic modeling tutorial. So yeah, let's get started. Before that, there is another SCP 3008 game on Roblox, which we could potentially try and get better with. So here's Ugly Burger Zero. Thanks to him, I even got the idea of making this game. So this is his game. We're just trying to make a better version of it because let's just say the topic is really good. But the issue with his game is he kind of screwed it up in the graphics, and the models are super low quality. And yeah, especially the textures. My god. And also the way he coded the game. It's just messed up, dude. And maybe we could make a better version of this game. Sorry, Ugly Burger Zero. We're about to make a better game. Okay. Well, we'll attempt. So, when you make your game, you'll start off with a thing like this. Now, in my version of the game, there'll be models everywhere in this entire box once we have some more contributors inside our game. So, to make sure that everything's working properly, you'll need to make it nighttime inside our game. Now we can completely make sure that the bottom part glows, because it's going to be just dark when we put the roof on, which we're not doing yet. So, you'll see this pole here. It's going to say IKEA. Now, this is your building template. Every time you want to build, let's just say, a model, or every time you want to build a plot or a model or something like that, you can come in on the template and just build it, okay? So, here's a few settings I recommend you do. Click on File, and go all the way down, click on Studio Settings. Click on Studio. Here, you'll see camera speed. Set it to 5.5. That's just what I recommend you to do, so that it's easier for me to do things. And it's easier for you to move around. So much easier to move around. Trust me. Okay, yeah. That's pretty much it. So, this wall, oh my god. So dumb. Okay, I'm just gonna add in a new file to Mediafire, so that it's kind of easier for you guys to do your things. Face. Oh god, no, I'm not fixing all of that up. I'll just rotate the thing. Northern wall. Go to model, rotate snap. Yep, here it is. And technically, the tutorial hasn't started yet. So I'm gonna just go to my YT. Oh my god, what is this? Some new scam. Let's leave. Okay, so here it is, this video. Now we can go to Mediafire. So here's my account. We're gonna need to move this one to trash. Your trash. Okay. Now I can. Oh god, dude. I can't see anything because of the Xbox Game Bar thing. Oh my god. Okay, upload. Here we go. We can add a file. Like, yeah. Oh wait, crap. We had to save the thing. Okay. Save file. Save the file. It's saved. We can add a file. Free alpha template for Discord. And upload it. There we go, guys. Now the SCP 3008 pre-alpha template for Discord is here. So once you download this from Mediafire, make sure you just don't normally double click on it. Make sure you right click on it, and then you click open with, and the first Roblox that you see, Roblox Studio that you see. Now, getting started with this tutorial, we can just add things like models and stuff. So, first off, we'll put in a part. Make sure you're in the model tab. Now, click on the move button. Now you can move this wherever you like. Preferably keep it near the pole with the IKEA sign, because it's just gonna be so damn much easier for me to do things. Now you can create your own model, and if you're lucky, doesn't really matter about your luck. You could be the most unlucky guy in the entire world, but if your model's good, yeah, dude, it's gonna get accepted. Okay, so here's your model. You can insert multiple parts to make a model. So we're just gonna make, I don't know, how about, okay, I'm gonna make the first palette. No, that's gonna take a while. I don't wanna do that. Okay, so first what I'm gonna introduce to you is the select tool. You can select things with this, obviously. And then there's a scale tool. With this, you can really just make things as big or small as you like. So to make a new sort of bed, you can, I don't know, maybe make the bottom part first and scale it up a little bit, like that. And now I can introduce to you the, what's it called? Material tab. You can use this top part here, or if you're like me, you can use this appearance thing down here. Now the color thing. You probably want to use this thing if you don't know how to use hacks and stuff like that. But I do. Dude, I literally did an entire course. So, a 2-minute course, just saying. So, if you don't have these two tabs here, and this is your first time using Roblox Studio, if you don't have this top thing, you click on this arrow, and it's gonna pop up. Now, if you don't have the Explorer, I'll show you in a second. So click here, Explorer, and it's here. Now the command bar is like just sort of useless for me. So. Now also make sure you have the Properties tab on. Trust me, it's gonna help you a whole lot with this. Next, you wanna find Toolbox right here and click on it. Now you have the toolbox, and you won't need terrain editor for this one. I mean this project. So you can click here, and you can keep it there for absolutely no reason, but you won't need it. Also, please do not add terrain to your build, because I can't actually import that into the actual game. So, yeah, let's continue. So, to change the material, go back into the model tab. You can click on material, but I'm just gonna use this. Or, if you want previews, you can use this. I'm gonna use this so that you guys are probably new. So, just get a habit of using this first, this material tab. You won't get the previews. So just get used to having this. So this is a bed. So what would be an appropriate material? Wood? That's quite good for this bed. And then you can go into the color tab and put in any color of wood you like. I'll use this because it looks cool. Now, as I said before, you can have multiple, parts, let's just call it, inside your thing. Now, each time you make a part, it's going to have the same material and color as your previous part, unless you set this to something else before you put down this part. So, yes, you will have to keep changing this. So, now I think I'm gonna make a fabric bed thing. So, I'm not actually gonna time-lapse this because I'm too lazy to do that. I actually never edit my videos. Well, I did around my first few, but now I don't. I'm just like, nope. So, a bed with an extremely thin mattress. No, we don't want to do that. So, here it is. Now, doesn't look like much of a bed, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna add in an other part. See, I told you you can make multiple parts. Now, just make the blanket a different color. Fabric kinda looks bad in Roblox. But if you use it in the right way, it's actually quite I can't pronounce benefitable. Oh, I just did it. Okay. So let's quickly try and make a blanket. Just like that. On this side, just like that. Now, pro tip, super duper pro tip. You can go into the model tab and all of this will be on for you. These two will be on for you. So will these two. You want to turn the rotate off. You want to turn the move off. You want to turn the collisions off and constraints off. Now you can freely design whatever the hell you want. So another pro tip, you can scale things down for them to no clip through other textures and stuff. Like that. Something like that. Yeah. No, that looks wrong. So we pretty much have our bed. Now, one last thing to go. The pillow. So it doesn't actually have to be the real material of what you're building, just has to look good enough. Definitely not that. Not that. Ice, I guess. And we'll make this completely white. Okay. So now we have a thick as hell pillow for our bed. There we go, guys. We have a bed. Two last things to do. You want to rename all your parts to what the things actually are, so it's easier for me to know. So the shortcut key to doing this is F2, but you can right click on it and then find rename, but I don't do that. It's just kind of slow. So, just like that, we have our very own bed. Now, you want to hold control and click on each of these. Every single one of these, okay? And you want to right click, and then you want to click group. So now it's all one model. Now, name your model whatever you would like bed. Bed, okay. I don't know why I'm laughing at that. You can put this inside the items folder, just like that. If you want the item to be able to be, oh no, that won't make sense. If you want the item to be able to be picked up, confusing sentence, then you can put it inside the items thing. If you don't want the thing to be picked up, just don't put it inside the items tab, because all the items tab can be picked up. Everything inside the items tab. Why do I call the items tab the tab? It's a folder. Okay. So that's it. We have our bed. Now, for the plot. For the plots, what you want to do is you want to go to here. Now you want to click Creator and search for Ugly Burger 0. This game is inspired by him, so technically it's not just his work. So here it is, your own SCP-3008 plot. Yeah, there we go. Now you can, so if you make an item and a plot, you first want to save this and put it inside the model submissions. So save your item, put it inside the model submissions. Also, there's this thing. Oh my gosh, the Xbox game bar thing, so stupid. This is hard. So, can't seem to find it. Screw it. So, inside model submissions, if you manage to find the button, you'll find some instructions. But, yeah, if you decide to join the server, and you do need a script, yeah, you'll find some instructions, just like this up there. I'm still gonna need to add the model submissions instructions. But all you want to do is add your thing to Mediafire and put your link in here. That's it. That's literally it. And then, yeah. Now, if you also want to make a plot, you download the template for Discord again, and you search for Ugly Burger 0 in the filters thing, and then you'll find things that Ugly Burger has made. So you'll see SCP-3008 plot. So there it is. Now you can rename this to what it's going to be. I'm just going to name it Bed and Table. Bed and Table. Done. So we might need to turn collisions on for a minute. Yeah. And it's actually gonna be good. It can't be as dumb as this. It can't be as dumb as I'm making it. So yeah, you can put some items that you made on top of this plot and you're done. Yeah. So that's it, just like that. You wanna put the items you used inside the bed and table thing, inside the SCP plot, and if you want it to be able to be pick up a ball, then put it inside the items thing. And if there's something that you don't want to be pick up a ball, I need to stop saying that. Like this weird wall thing in the background. Then you name this wall and just keep it in there without it being like inside the items. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. That's it for this video guys. See you later on. See you, bye-bye. I'm gonna help my friend learn how to do this too, so that he can start helping out with the game. Bye!